Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and exploring 10 effective ways to improve your smartphone's battery life. 1. Dim your screen. Reducing the brightness of your screen can significantly extend your battery life. 2. Turn off location services. Constantly searching for your location drains your battery. 3. Disable background app refresh. Many apps continue to refresh in the background, draining your battery. 4. Use dark mode. Dark mode consumes less power than a bright display. 5. Limit push notifications. Constant notifications can quickly drain your battery. 6. Use battery-saving modes. Most smartphones have built-in battery-saving modes. 7. Keep your phone cool. Heat can cause your battery to drain faster. 8. Update your phone. Regular updates often include battery-saving improvements. 9. Use a power-saving case. Some cases have built-in power-saving features. 10. Charge your phone properly. Overcharging or undercharging can damage your battery. That's it for our top 10 tips. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay with TechVerse today.